What's up, Pickle Peeps? It is day 20 of the World Domination Marketing Plan, and things are starting to come together. Except time. Time never comes together for me. I just looked at the clock, realized it was 11:30, and be like, I should shoot the video so you can upload while I'm doing other things. But anyway, today can be like unofficially called Adventures in Techland. Yay! Now, I am not normally scared of tech. I don't normally have any issues with tech at all. Like, I'm pretty smart. I can figure a lot of stuff out. Shopify somehow just confounds me. I don't know why. But we'll get to that in just a minute. So, yesterday on the channel, we talked about launching the giveaway. And I think I mentioned, if I didn't, I'll say it right now. One of the keys to doing giveaways is it's gotta hurt. If it doesn't hurt for you, it's not enticing for them. So, like, seriously, if it doesn't give you a minor heart attack, what you're giving away, it's probably not enough. So we decided yesterday, we got everything all launched out and done, that we were going to do 5 $50 gift cards going out for Black Friday. Am I screwing myself over? Maybe. Am I hopefully getting like mega hyped engagement? Should be. So, actually, I think after this, I might go live in the fan clan and on the Facebook page for a minute and talk about the giveaway. I didn't mean to do that today. I completely forgot until just now. We'll get there. Anyway. So yesterday I talked about it, and I said that I don't think we got anyone on the email list yesterday, but I said straight up that my goal for today, when I came back to talk about emails and how many we got, was to have 100 people on the list within that first 24 hours. And I am happy to say that while SMS is 0, and that's my fault, I haven't pushed it in the follow-up to that, and sales are 0, you know what's not 0? Email list! We totally got 143 email addresses. Now, I'll be 100% honest here with you. I got no clue how many of those are new people versus established people on my list. And to be honest, I don't care. So, one of the keys for me with giveaways is it wakes up a list and it really triggers and excites your hyper fans. And if your hyper fans are going to buy, now let's talk Pareto principle for a second here. That says that 80% of it's the 80-20 rule. So 80% of your income will come from 20% of your list. And I think it can go even further to 96-4 in different things. That's the Pareto principle on the Pareto principle. Oh, say that 10 times fast or 3 times fast. That is not fun. Pareto principle. But yeah, so I've heard it double down on there, even 96-4. So 96% of your sales up to could come from 4% of your list, right? Typically you hear 80% of your sales comes from 20% of your list, which if you look at, I don't know if it's still the numbers, at least it used to be. They said if you had an average email open rate of around 20%, you were doing really good. See what that talks about? And it might just be, it'd be really great if you had 20% of your 20% that clicks. I don't know. When they start getting down into the nitty gritty of that in the email servers, I'm not really sure where their numbers are coming from. But anyway, so if all my giveaway does is wake up and make hyper aware that 20% that buys, that's really great. If it adds a whole bunch of new emails to my list, that's even better. Yes, of course I want new people on my list. Of course. But as it stands right now, I'll take what I can get. We still have another 24 and a half hours left to this giveaway. So tomorrow I want to be coming in here and saying that we have 300 people on the email list, okay? Today we're at 143. Tomorrow when I report in, I want to say that we were at 300. And then we shall see what happens on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So that is that side of it. Now on to Adventures in Techland, which I'm going to straight up say we should just rename this and say Build and Be Brave. I debated if it should be brave and build. It's nope, build and be brave about it. Click the buttons, hit the things, do it, and have confidence that you can always reset it again later. So I have been having this internal like crisis thing going on, like where am I building my subscription? And I really wanted, where am I building my MIFGE to subscription? Because Thursday, MIFGE launches. That was phase 3, I think, of it's listed down below, whatever, phase 2 or 3 was MIFGE that I failed to launch then. So we moved it and it's going on Thanksgiving, Thursday. And what MIFGE is, so let me rephrase a little bit here. In all of my trainings and courses and high-end masterminds that I do, there is a saying, and we're working on this model. And the model is called the linchpin, and that's how, like, you set up your business for best sustainability and best sales. And one of the things that they have talked about now since Funnel Hacking Live, since end of September, is the idea of continuity, or might be more familiar to you on the e-com side as subscription. So subscription products, boxes. So if you have something like a consumable, a soap, a food, candles, any of that kind of stuff that is used up, then that would be something like subscribe and save, and we'll send your favorite scent to you every month. You can order it every month, every 3 months, something like that, where it becomes reliable revenue, dependable, predictable revenue on that, on subscription, on subscribe and saves. In my case, because my stuff is not a consumable, it's a collectible, I am launching here an Earrings of the Month Club. Now, there are tons of subscription services all over the place that teach you how, and courses that teach you how to sell subscription boxes. Fantastic. I'm in one of them. I'm in Launch Your Box. This is probably my last month in it, which will only be 2 months, but I've gotten all that I pretty much need from it. So, I mean, it's a great community. It's fantastic. I just need things at a higher, faster playing level than what they have in there, which is fine. I totally understand about myself. So they all do this, and there are plenty of people who are like, be really happy if you get like 10, 20, maybe people on your subscription launch. I'm like, no, we are doing this. We are going all in and building something amazing for subscription. How do I best sell it? And Russell had an answer for this, and that is something called the MIFGE, the most incredible free gift ever. And that is what is launching Thursday. So MIFGE is basically, it's also Perry Belcher calls them premiums. And they both terms work here. I just like saying MIFGE. Is that you want to give people something so enticing that they want. They're like, oh my God, I need to have that. And you give it to them for free if they subscribe to your continuity. So the way this works with me, to give you a concrete example here, and one of these days I'll take you onto the computer and show you guys. I'll do a screen share instead of these kind of videos once it's all set up. But they will get my Wings of Fire necklace and a couple other things for free when they subscribe to the MIFGE, which means that in 30 days, if they choose the monthly option, they are going to be billed $37. I'm building in 3 tiers of this, a monthly, a quarterly, and an annually price into this. So we shall see what happens. And yeah, so that by itself kind of sounds like a loss, right? Like I'm giving something away for free. I'll charge shipping for it, and this is all the tech stuff that I have to figure out. But give something away for free for money collected next month. That doesn't sound that good and that enticing to us, right? Like to our customers, it's awesome. Yeah, I'm getting stuff for free. I'm not going to be billed until then. But for us, it might be a little bit meh. So this is where, of course, I come from the funnel builder and funnel hacker world. This is the first day I'm not wearing funnel hacker gear in a while, I think, like at all on here. Usually I have my sweatshirt on. It's over there. I had to just turn the heater off. But anyway, so all of that goes that we should not be losing money. We should be increasing our cart value here. So what I need to figure out how to do in Shopify, I know how to do it in ClickFunnels, but ClickFunnels won't well manage the subscription side for me the way Shopify will, and all the other things that I want to do that I'll talk about later on in the series as we get closer. That's more like closer to Christmas thing. So what we are looking to do is sign up, get this free gift when you try out our Earrings of the Month Club, when you subscribe to the Earrings of the Month Club. So they get it just for saying maybe. Then I'm going to upsell them. Would you like the earrings that match the necklace? Okay, that's called a bump. Boom. From there, so I have to, like I said, I have to figure out how all this works order-wise in Shopify. But it'd be like, get this free necklace when you subscribe, put in your credit card information for the subscription, now bump it. Oh, would you like the earrings that go with the necklace? That's money in your pocket. Oh, and then after that, I'm going to have a, would you like this earring, necklace, or combo set that is my bullet key jewelry, because that's some of my most popular pieces. I'm putting my most popular pieces of the forerunners here as the bait to get people into my Earrings of the Month Club. Hopefully that makes some sense. So while they might get the first necklace for free, I'm going to put the options in front of them to pay for the matching earrings, and then another jewelry set or necklace or earrings, whichever they want. And that will recoup the cost of the necklace that I'm losing out on. Now, honest to God here, my Wings of Fire necklace I sell for $45. It is my best-selling item. It goes out for $45. It costs me between $3 and $5 to make it. I have to like really iron and be honest with myself on how long it takes to make it. But when you include labor and stuff, it's about supplies and labor. It's about $3 to $5 for me to make that. So that's what I'm actually losing out on. Never mind the like gap between what I would sell it at. But that's okay if it gets people into continuous income. So, I didn't say the quote before. I was gearing up to it and I missed it. But when we went through this training and this whole method, and this is just steps 1 and 2 of this, the linchpin model. There's other things that I am not looking at doing this year. This year for me is just about subscription and MIFGE. And later on in 2023, later on in the year, I will have 2 more layers of subscription coming up that are more expensive. I'm starting on what I can get done fast, which is the Earrings Club. But anyway, so Stephen Fry has this quote, and like, I want it in henna on my arm. Like, I would totally do it, or the peel and stick tattoos, like any of that. I want this quote, because I want to remind it myself. Every time I look at this, I am reminded of this quote, that if you don't have continuity, you don't have a business. I'm going to repeat that. If you don't have continuity, you do not have a business. Why? Because your income is unreliable. Dan Kennedy called it, I believe, episodic income. Shit. I just had the phrase. Episodic income. Episodes. That's totally not right, but it's episodic income. So it's like a one-off sale. Fantastic, a one-off sale is great. Yeah, I'm really happy for the money. It's like when you go to a show, if you do craft shows or any of that stuff, you have episodic sales. Or you run a promotion to your email list or on social and you get a whole influx of sales. Those are episodic. And those are fantastic, but those should not be the backbone of your business. Now, I'm saying this as being 10 years in business and I don't have continuity yet, but I'm launching it now because continuity is what allows you to make projections in your business. It is what allows you to have at least a relative idea of what your income will be. Hopefully that is making some sense to you and you're a little bit interested in it. So for all of that, like, I know the strategy of what I'm supposed to do, but getting the tech side of it to work in Shopify, not as easy, especially when, I will say, I'm not dumb, but I'm a little lazy in that not doing the research for myself, just going off of what my coaches say to do. Well, my coaches work in ClickFunnels. That's not going to help me in Shopify. And I actually went to one of the coaches today in open office hours and was like, I need permission from someone outside my head to say I can run all this in Shopify and stop searching for ways to duct tape and spit hold ClickFunnels and Shopify together, because that just doesn't exist right now. 2.0 is launched, but they don't have ecom in it yet. Once they do, I will probably switch out to that from Shopify. We shall see. I haven't made full decisions on that yet. I have other stuff that sits in ClickFunnels like all the time. So I'm just like taking a deep breath and be like, okay, my products will not be in ClickFunnels, my ecom. Anyway, so I spent like the bulk of today really doing research, having this war against myself, being in a lot of meetings, because let's face it, I'm in a lot of meetings all the time, and talking to coaches. So doing the research on which subscription program to go with. Because like, analysis, paralysis all the way, because I don't want to have to rebuild it in 30 days. And I don't want to hire someone out to do it right now because there aren't anyone like talking about it. Like, I get this all to work. I will shoot the damn tutorials on how to do it. And if you guys want in on that, we'll figure something out for how to do it in Shopify, everything that I want to do. And the methods that I have and that I'm planning for 2023, in theory, could get me on talking on stage at FHL. So it's very simple. It's very elegant. And I don't see why it won't work. My coach, one coach, is very, very intrigued over what that plan is, but we're not talking about that plan right now. Just enough to know that I have 3 elements that I need to put together in Shopify and figure out. I need the subscription program on the back end, and I settled with Paywhirl, and I'm actually working on that stuff right now and trying to get that set up in the next 24 hours. But Paywhirl, I need a landing page either created in Shopify or with some other app for Shopify that will allow me to put the MIFGE, the free thing, on there, and then set it up so they get their 1 month free, and then it bills them for their thing. So to figure out how to do that part in there and make it so it's more automatic and not sitting on a coupon code. Like, I need a delayed start on this. And then, so that would be like for my MIFGE, and then upsell software so that after they sign up they pick whichever subscription option they want and go to checkout. Now it gives them, do you want the earrings that match the necklace? And do you want, and then yes or no, and then would you like the key jewelry? So I need the funnel side of it. So we're at 3 softwares right now, right? Potentially. And then on the back end of it, I want an affiliate one. So I'm looking at First Promoter. I believe is the one that I'm looking at is First Promoter. And that one will be set up so that after they make the purchase, after they place the order for their MIFGE, they should immediately, like in minutes, get an email saying, "You're going to love it. I can't wait. By the way, do you have any friends who you think would love this too? Send them out on your link and you could win rewards," and have a reward program on the back end of that. So that part is crucial. Just like my giveaway right now has kind of an affiliate angle to it that people can share it and get more points on their stuff. I want the MIFGE to have an affiliate angle as well, to where people can sign up. Because that is how this thing is going to grow and spread like hotcakes. And then there's other income stuff that'll happen later on. But yeah, that is the goal. That is what I'm working on right now. And the tech is like 15-20% of the way done. And it launches in like 36 hours, something like that. So we shall see just how far I get, but something will be duct taped together, hopefully a little stronger than duct tape, by the end of tomorrow. And that's the plan. So yeah, you guys, I hope you're enjoying this so far. I hope you're intrigued by this. Let me know down below. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you're most intrigued about with all this, or if you think I'm totally crazy, because I will take either option. I am known for my crazy, crazy schemes, but this one, like I said, if it works like half of the way through that I want it to do, then I'm in really good shape. So that's it. I will talk to you guys tomorrow on Thanksgiving Eve. And then we are straight on into Black Friday. Holy shit. I gotta get those emails done. All right, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Stay epic. All that jazz. Bye.